Hey guys, today is day 3 and we
What's
are...
poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother
You
Vlogs.
just started working and this is the intro.
Yes.
Welcome back. Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs, and today is day 3 like I said, and we are taking delivery of the...
Brand new Ducati.
After there are no swirl marks, there are no smudges, there's no dust.
A clean bike.
They're doing the final polish now, and we are also getting one sticker on front of the bike. We will show you after the sticker gets applied
It's
to
being
the...
applied as we speak right now.
So yeah, Africa Twin. I also gave Africa Twin yesterday for a small wash after my trip. I never washed it, never gave it. It's been more than 15 days.
So a good wash on that. And
Even the owner of this place was shocked that I just left the bike like that for like so long, and nothing happened to it.
I think we shown you the sample of the polishing work done on the windshield of the Africa Twin. That was the Africa Twin's windshield, which was
yes
in the last video.
Yes, and physically I've seen it. It is like day and night difference. There is a lot of difference with it, and now I can happily look.
Honestly, when we took the delivery of the Africa Twin, it had swirl marks on it, the windshield.
Yeah, a lot,
Which is very bad. But
and I have ridden in a lot of dusty conditions जब से उसको लिया हूँ, so it got worse. So now it's much better.
Yeah.
Full must clear, and उसके ऊपर भी I've got a PPF film done. Even Hriday said, the owner of this place, Wrap and Shine, even he said that that's an experimental film which I got on the Africa, the visor. But let's see how it works. If it doesn't,
you know what? I don't think any person will do this, but we'll do it for you guys just to prove how good the... Oh, be careful, that's going to poke you. Metal brush. And
brass
I'm going
brush, brass brush,
Okay.
brass brush,
and we're going to rub this
on the windshield
of either the Ducati or the Africa Twin, or both the vehicles for
and
that matter.
After
And show you the self-healing ability of the PPF.
See, scratches do appear, but if you put a heat gun right on top of that, it heals immediately. But if you don't have a heat gun, if the scratches are there, it takes probably 12 hours in the sun to
get rid of those scratches.
Yes.
So heat gun just actually accelerates the process of self-healing ability.
Being in India, it's always humid and hot, so automatic that healing ability is on point.
He just did this, and we were shocked at how fast or how amazing.
I was about to stop him, but वो कर दिया था रे, डर गया था.
So we'll take the brush. Now you have confidence?
Yeah, now I'm confident because I've seen it.
Yeah. So.
But still, डर तो है.
डर तो लगेगा because it's a brass brush proper.
So yeah.
So, जाके we'll do it
right now.
Okay, guys, this is all going to be done in a single take. So, all the very best, PPF. So, there are hardly any scratches for that matter.
Can you do it right here? Because it's black है ना. हाँ तो
ये
black.
We'll do it here.
Again, one more time. If that doesn't come out properly, see that this everything will be in one take.
Yeah. So guys, everything what we are doing here is going to be in one take. This is a proof of the
Self-healing ability.
Yeah, the amazing madness which we are capable of.
थोड़ा ऊपर.
Firstly, there are hardly any scratches. All the way here. I bloody swirled it with a brass brush.
All neat.
And now, how many of you can dare do that with their bike
How much
or with
is,
their vehicle?
how much is part cost, by the way?
Probably
a
first thing
30.
it's not available in India. So
Okay,
you have
so
to
you have
import
to
it
do
from
this.
Italy, all the way from Italy.
So now an aftermarket one, the original Ducati I don't know. An aftermarket one costs about 35,000.
You do need a PPF for this.
It works. Magical. Wow. And I'm still shivering because I was scared to do that on myself, honestly. Wow, but it does work. So I don't think any other place will show you this.
Though it's a good investment.
Yeah, no. Do not try this at home.
Yeah.
No,
We are
never.
not responsible. We are
Never.
not responsible.
See, again,
Especially not on Ducati.
again, guys, so this is something, even if you get the PPF done, it is not recommended doing that. So it is just something which is, we are proving to you that it can take such kind of a beating. But please don't go doing that again and again because the self-healing ability will, yeah. But
Eventually, when the bike is on the road, you will get swirl marks.
yeah, but
So because of that ability,
Yeah.
to reduce हो जाए. Quite
so
good.
you shouldn't do that, but it is capable of it. So that's the bike for now. Things are getting done on it. So we'll come back to you guys. We'll take a few panel shots of it once everything is done. So guys, what do you think the output was? How satisfied are you with the end result there?
End result, you will find out the complete result, 100% result after 7 days. Right now we are 70% sure of the result. The PPF, the installation, the edge work, everything is done perfectly alright. Yes, the bike was a little troublesome for us, for dismantling around, but we got over that.
Well,
It's completely prepared.
You know, that's what they say about Italians, right?
Yeah.
So just one small job left here. I wanted to get a small vinyl.
So we are actually pretty much satisfied with all the wraps. So the
Yeah.
next project will be wrapping, and that has a lot of parts.
Super happy with these guys here that I have been raving about their services since the last couple of days on the channel to him as well. So there are many more projects which I have planned. We're just looking at the output what he has given me. You've seen the video, right? The pano shots, and I'm still a newbie at doing all those stuff.
B-rolls.
But yeah, the
B-rolls.
B rolls as what apparently they're called. So with the gimbal, the camera becomes freaking heavy, like docking.
So Ducati's wrap is done. There's a small vinyl patch which will go right now. Abhi tak it still did not start, and I'm not getting anything done on the Africa. The bike is fairly new, and I'm going to wait for another year to
Get it wrapped.
Get it
The
wrapped.
only thing again, we got the windshield of that protected in the same way what Ducati has been done. Finally, guys, everything is done. It is exactly 8 o'clock in the evening. I was supposed to be home and a long time ago. My wife was gonna kill me for this. That is the vinyl strap I've got, and it is basically like a scar. I loved it, Susan loved it. What do you guys think? It's a satin black. It goes with this color. So it's like a scar. It goes from here to there. This will be the end of our project at Wrap and Shine for the Ducati. Everything on it is flawless. There have been no mistakes done. We'll have to come back after 1 week to get it checked, and This is where we tell Hriday good night as well. Thank you for tuning into Two Brother Vlogs. Till the next time. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye. So guys, welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Another beautiful day in Hyderabad. I was actually supposed to show you the bike in sunlight. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I had to go to a marriage today of a very close friend of mine. So you guys have seen the bike yesterday, right? It is not a promotional video, but I wanted to capture everything just for my video channels. But in the process, I became a really good friend of Hriday. Like, it was unbelievable at their work and their work ethic more than anything else. So this is our Multistrada. As you've seen, there's so much shine on every panel of the bike, and apparently this is not the final outcome. The final output will be visible only after about 7 days. So they have even ceramic coated the seats, all the plastic parts. Look at the amount of, or how should I say, it's a very deep black now. Like, they have polished everything, like even these panels inside, all of it is completely polished, ceramic coated. All the plastic parts are done. This strip, I know few of you guys have seen it on my Instagram, but how does it look? How does that look go on the Multistrada? I hope our Multistrada is one of the most beautiful looking bikes in India. So chalo guys, see you again in the next video. I am heading out. I need to go. Both of us have actually just come back from the marriage, so I'm going to this fellow's place abhi for some time
to study.
Yeah, मेरा कुछ नहीं है. I'm actually getting bored of my holidays now. पूरा December I didn't work. November 3 दिन I worked. Waiting for an examiner. Training is over.
इसीलिए अलायंसर नुकसान नहीं करता. तुम लोग जैसे फुकट में पैसा दे रहे, हमारे जैसे इंडिगो ने मेरे को 8 महीने दिए.
8 महीने दिए इसको. चलो, bye guys, and see you in the next video. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.